How to fix Windows cannot find. Make sure you type the name correctly. The error message Windows cannot find. Make sure you type the name correctly. Typically occurs when you try to run a command or execute a program, but Windows cannot locate the specified file or application. Here are a few steps you can take to troubleshoot this issue. 1. Check the spelling. Ensure that you correctly type the name of the file or application you're trying to run. Pay attention to capitalization and any spaces or special characters. 2. Verify the location. Double-check the location of the file or application. If you're trying to run a command or execute a program from the command prompt or the run dialog, make sure the file is located in a directory listed in your system's path environment variable. 3. Uninstall then reinstall the program. If you're encountering this error with a specific application, it's possible that the program's installation files or shortcuts may have been moved or corrupted. Try reinstalling the program to see if it resolves the issue. 4. Scan for malware. Malware or viruses on your system can sometimes interfere with the execution of files or applications. Run a full system scan using a reliable antivirus program to check for any infections. 5. Check file associations. If you're trying to open a specific file type, verify that the file association is set correctly. Right-click on the file, choose Open With, and select the appropriate program. 6. System File Integrity Check. Windows has a built-in System File Checker, SFC, tool that scans for and repairs corrupt or missing system files. Open the command prompt as an administrator and run the command sfc/scano to initiate the scan. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's possible that the file or application you're trying to run is either missing or not properly installed on your system. In such cases, you may need to seek further assistance or contact the software developer for support.